Hello and welcome to our next course part about diagrams. This will be a short course part because I will only show like the basic stuff. If you need to go deeper, for example, into appearance formatting or so on, I always say try out or take advice from, for example, ChatGPT, Google Forums, other guys who are better in the diagrams than I am. But you need those diagrams, for example, for those dashboards you see here in the picture in the background. So diagrams or charts, as it is called in Excel, can be found under the Insert tab. You can either select the data from your table and then click on the chart type if you want to create a chart, or you can also click on the chart type first and then select the data you want to build a chart or diagram on. There are many chart types that are offered. There are also a lot of add-ins you can buy or also sometimes free of charge for additional chart types, for example, bar charts, column charts, line charts, circle charts, waterfall charts, and so on and so on. And the charts can be formatted and adapted in Extend with labels, colors, highlighting, and multiple other options. And you can do as you wish. Um, yeah. But here, sometimes first the data that sometimes Excel mix up data with headers. There you should take a look at. So we will take a look at what this could look like in Excel. So here we have two data things. First, one here and one here. We can do, for example, um, something about this data here. We want to have an diagram for this. So we have selected the data here. Then we go under Insert. We can select chart type for this type of thing, probably a line chart. And here Excel automatically detects here. Oh, you have here a lot of headers of labeling. Here, these are the headers, and this is the data you want to show. You can only under select data, for example, here either unselect or select your entries, edit them, add new, remove them, or also if you want only to have potentially the company names as a label, you can also select this here. And you see it's everything is like pre-selected. You can also do something like this in a different style, add a chart, chart label, add other here elements, for example, grid lines, select different colors, and so on and so on. Here under format, you can also make more for formatting things. And for example, one thing I found very cool, if you notice, if you want to have 1,000 delimiters here, you can go on your data then. You'll have built your chart on and then select it there, and then it will automatically appear in your diagram. So this was short about that. And there's also, for example, here, this other part down below. And we will do this the other way. So for this type of chart, there's also potentially a bar chart. Good. So we first select the chart type, and then we click on it and select the data. Click on OK. And oh, you see there is something odd because it detects the years as data, but we don't want to have it as data. So we can either remove the years here or unselect them and then go on the horizontal axis, labeling, select our years here. And we have it as we wished as a column, as a bar chart. We can also do here a little bit of formatting things. Here we have, for example, then the numbers in, and sorry, also you can click on or hover over that over data points in the diagrams. and it will appear what the type of data is and also the value. So this was about diagrams. I've also exercise I will link in the video description about diagrams, 2 worksheets, Tesla Bayer. So it's both about doing diagrams for 2 companies. And the next video will then be a solution for this exercise. Thank you for your attention. I hope to see you next time.